I was fine until I was 2.5 years old, and then I started getting really bad migraines, and I've been having them until I was 11.
We did everything we could to try and get treatment for him. We took him to various doctors, to hospitals, neurologists. We tried to find the best of the best we could find, and there's nothing out there for children with migraines.
I'd be vomiting, I'd be crying. I couldn't even make it to the bathroom because it was so bad, so I had to use a bucket right next to my bed.
Just seeing your child suffer is one of the worst things a parent can go through, and especially when you can't fix it. I was so, I felt so heartbroken for him, and then I felt useless as a mom because I couldn't take the pain away. I couldn't make it better for my child. There was one day that I think was the worst day that we ever had. He was laying in our bed, and he had had such a bad headache, and it just seemed to be getting worse and worse. And I had come home from work, and he was laying in bed. He had a cold pack on his head, and he was vomiting. And he just, this particular day, he just kept vomiting, and he kept vomiting. And he was screaming, screaming in pain. And he said, "Mommy, I just want to die." And I just cried because I didn't know what else to do with him. I didn't know how I could help him. I didn't know if I should take him to the emergency room. I didn't know what else I could do, and I just prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed for an answer. And I finally got one.
It was amazing when I got the stem cells because I felt so much better and my headaches weren't here anymore. It was just amazing.
After he got treated with the stem cells, it was almost immediate. I mean, he felt good right after the treatment and has since stayed that way. He has been amazing. He's had energy, he's felt good, his confidence has even changed. I mean, you name it, it's miraculous what he's gone through and what, you know, he's come through on the other side.
It was amazing. I just loved every minute of it, not having to throw up. I can actually go around and just like do normal stuff. Just like not have to worry about laying in bed and being sick. So it was just like a miracle for me.
I think that after he was treated, I felt like God intervened and answered my prayers, because I was praying for some kind of miracle for my child. And I definitely feel that God was watching over and helping him and guided us to the stem cells, Dr. Rader helping us. I mean, it is a miracle, and I definitely feel that my prayers have been answered.